How to convert PDF to video with AI narration or animation. 1. Convert PDF to slides, e.g., PowerPoint or Google Slides. First, convert your PDF into a series of slides or images, using software like Adobe Acrobat or Google Slides. You can manually convert text and images from the PDF into slides, or use tools like PDF to PowerPoint converters to automate the process. 2. Create a video from the slides. Once your PDF content is in slide format, you can use tools like PowerPoint or Google Slides to turn the slides into a video. You can record a voiceover directly within PowerPoint or use screen recording software, e.g., OBS Studio, to capture the slides and narration in real time. 3. AI narration or text-to-speech, TTS. If you're looking to add AI narration or voiceover to the slides, there are text-to-speech tools like Google Cloud Text-to-Speech, Amazon Polly, or Murph.ai that can generate lifelike voices for the text content from the PDF. Many of these tools allow customization, so you can adjust the voice tone, pitch, and language. 4. Adding AI-generated animations or visuals. If you want to add more dynamic visuals, you could use AI-powered animation tools like Pictory, Synthesia, or Lumen 5 to generate animated videos from text, which might work well for creating engaging content from PDF documents. Some AI tools even allow you to upload text or documents, like a PDF, and they'll automatically create video slides with text-to-speech narration. 5. Final video editing. After generating the video, you can use video editing tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or free editors like DaVinci Resolve to refine the video, adding effects, transitions, or additional narration if necessary. Potential Reina AI brain rot. If Reina AI refers to a specific tool or platform you're exploring that does this kind of PDF to video conversion, it's possible that it's a new AI service aimed at simplifying this process. You might be referring to a specific online tool with this capability, or brain rot might be the playful obsession you have with discovering this AI tool. If you have more information about Reina AI or a specific tool you're using, let me know, and I can help dive deeper into that.